The first test at Luperium War College is simple. Survive. Get to the gates before the wolves get to you first. Cadets train their whole lives for this moment. Combat, endurance, strength, and still less than half survive. I was never meant to be here. I don't even have my wolf. I was supposed to be a healer. But after the rebellion, everything changed.
Mom, please, I can't lose you.
Enough, daughter. She's gone. Don't cry for your mother. Avenge her. Sear this betrayal into your bones. The only good Blackmore wolf is a dead one.
Now my father, the Alpha King, has sent me here to earn my crown. Or die trying.
Well, well. You don't belong here, healer.
I just want to finish the trial.
This is the trial, bitch! If you can't survive us, you won't survive in there. It's a kindness, really. Ending you before the real pain begins. Might as well put that tight body to use before you're dead. You don't get to touch her. This is a hazing, not a rape, cadet. I'm sorry, Commander. Please. Not yet, you're not. You don't touch any woman at this college, or I will end you. Now get this piece of shit out of my sight.
You killed him.
I did. You lost, beautiful? This isn't your part of the woods. The Healer College is that way.
I'm not lost.
Still headed the wrong direction.
Maybe I'm right where I need to be.
You don't belong at the War College. Let me walk you back to the gate. There's more than one hunting party roaming these woods.
I thought the War College was supposed to be kill or be killed.
Consider it a warning. Maybe I'm hoping to convince you to quit.
There's something about her.
His eyes, like he knows me. Why is my whole body reacting? I need to calm down.
The world needs more healers, not warriors.
You lost someone close to you.
I lost a lot of someones.
I'm sorry. I know what it feels like. Why are you staring?
You know why. I need you to do something for me. Turn around and leave this cursed place. When it's safe, I'll find you.
Safe from what?
Get away from the princess, Blackmore scum!
Blackmore?
Princess, you're Maeve Thornville, the Alpha King's daughter.
You're Saxon Blackmore, son of the rebel leader? Your family killed my mother!
Your father slaughtered my entire bloodline!
That's because they were traitors and went rogue. You know what? You're lucky my father spared you because you were just a boy.
Lucky. Your father branded us like animals, princess. And you, I'll let you live. So you can see how lucky we are at the War College. You're not gonna last a week. I will make sure of it.
Not scared of you.
You will be.
Watch yourself, Blackmore.
Fuck you, dog.
Looks like I got here just in time.
Rory Zion, my childhood sweetheart. He's never let me down.
Did that bastard attack you?
No, he actually saved me.
What? That's not like Blackmore. He only protects his fellow marked ones. I wish you didn't come here, Maeve. It's too dangerous.
Rory, you know that every Alpha heir has to graduate from the War College.
But you can't fight. You can't even kill a bug. How the hell are you gonna stay alive in this?
Because I want justice for my mother. And I am not leaving until Saxon Blackmore pays for everything he's done. Give me my dorm assignment.
Strip first. Burn your past.
You want me to undress here?
A healer? What's she gonna do, hug us to death? She won't last here a week.
Warriors are modest, princess. Maybe you should crawl back to the palace where you belong.
I'm not going anywhere. Not while my mother's killer is still alive.
Room 16. Training starts at 0500. Cry, sleep, pray. You're gonna need it.
Let's go, Maeve. Hurry and change. I'm getting you out of here and back to the Healer's College.
You know I can't do that. There's no going back for me now.
Maeve, listen to me. Saxon's not just some rebel with a chip on his shoulder. He's the strongest wolf this school's seen in 100 years. He's vicious. He's dangerous. He definitely wants to kill you.
Let him try. I am not afraid.
Run home, princess, before I end you.
You want to see me scared? Keep dreaming. They don't give you a room until you pass the culling. Why bother? When half of the females here will be dead. I had a simple plan. Survive. Whatever each day brings. Just keep breathing.
Well, well. Look who thought she could strut in and play alpha.
I don't want any trouble.
Let me tell you what trouble is. Your king daddy didn't just kill our parents, he wiped them from existence.
That's because they went rogue and tried to assassinate him.
He scarred us for life. An asshole had the nerve to call it mercy.
It was mercy. You're just too stupid to see it. Right tibial plateau cracked. Retina detached. Third and fifth ribs fractured.
Oops. Looks like I broke the princess. Don't think Saxon will think you're so pretty now. Slut.
Being a healer wasn't just my calling. It's my gift. And right now, it's the only reason I'm still breathing.
Don't ever let your father see you cry. Just remember, you are stronger than you think.
He doesn't hurt anymore. Look, Mom. My mother was the only one who knew about my healing power. I never told my father. He would have turned me into a weapon.
You're still you, darling. Just more.
I love you, Mom. I won't let you down.
Did she cry or black out or both?
Fuck, I wish I'd been there. You tell me that weak little princess is supposed to be the alpha heir?
Entitled bitch had it coming.
What the hell did you do, Kayla?
I took care of the problem, like a good beta should, so we all don't end up dead. Saxon, you're welcome. What the fuck? She couldn't stand an hour ago.
Guess she's tougher than she looks.
It's gonna take more than a pansy-ass beatdown to get rid of me, Blackmore. Next time, send someone who doesn't fight like a coward and gang up 3-on-1.
Stand down, Kayla. Stand the fuck down, Lieutenant.
I'll get you into my unit. You'll be safe with me.
She's not yours to protect.
Like hell she isn't.
I outrank you, Captain Zion. Cadet Thornvale is under my command.
You're fucking nuts, Blackmore. She's not going into your unit.
Follow me, or I'll slit your little boyfriend's throat while he sleeps.
Hey, it's okay, Rory. I'll be fine.
Maeve, don't. What are you doing?
Good girl.
Lieutenant Vire.
Cadet Thornvale. Your turn, Princess.
Don't know how you're still standing. Guess I'll just get to finish what I started. I cheered when they found your mother's body. Well, you found it, didn't you? We've been waiting for another Thornvale bleed.
Just shut up. You don't get to cheat this time.
Right knee misaligned. Tibia deviation. Old ACL tear. Weak spot.
No way, she got Lieutenant Vire.
Lucky shot. Doubt the princess can repeat it.
Every healer takes a vow. Do no harm. I'd never broken mine. Until now.
I'm sorry. Here, let me fix it.
You fuck you, smug bitch.
Enough! That's interesting.
It's just a scratch. It's fine.
Kayla doesn't miss. Let's try something. You're gonna fight me now.
What?
What? You're a unit commander. That's insane. And a senior. That's not a fair fight.
Welcome to Lupirium.
Oh! 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 Go on. Kill me. That's what you want, isn't it?
What are you? You're hiding something. And I'm gonna enjoy finding out what it is.
There's something wrong with me. Saxon Blackmore is my sworn enemy.
Your father slaughtered my entire bloodline!
I hate him with everything inside me. So why can't I stop thinking about the way he looked at me? Why do I still feel the heat of his touch? Tomorrow is the culling. I can't afford to be distracted. I'll have to stand before the entire college, my father, and find my wolf.
Today we begin the culling, the ancient rite of the bloodline. Only those worthy will live alive.
Your wolf is your soul, your power, your bond to this pack. You will summon it, or you will die. No mercy shown. The wolves will choose. The rest will fall. Again!
King's daughter still doesn't have her wolf.
Well, maybe she'll never get one.
She's no alpha. She'll never be wolf heir to the throne.
Get her! Ugh. Pathetic. She's so weak. Finish her.
I'm gonna claw out your throat, you weak ass bitch.
If you're going to make an appearance, Wolf, now would be a good time.
You are stronger than you think.
What, Wolf? There hasn't been one in 500 years.